On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for FrameMaker, and click on the FrameMaker app. Here you can design the frame that you want. So you can double-click on the grid to add a new point, and you can drag the point anywhere along the grid. You can remove a point by clicking on Remove Point and selecting the point that you want to remove. You can turn on or off grid snapping. So this will allow you to either move the point freely, or if you want more structure, you can turn the grid back on and the point will be moved onto a point on the grid itself. You can increase or decrease the grid columns to include more points for you to include when you're drawing your frame. And once you're done, you can click on Add to Design. And now I've designed this custom frame for my design here. And I can go ahead and start adding photos into this grid. I can also come back to FrameMaker. I can also use the text feature, and this allows you to create frames based on the text that you enter here. So I can enter, for example, my channel name. I can split this into letters if I want. I can increase or decrease the spacing here. And I can adjust the parameters. And once I'm done, I can click Add to Design. And now I've created this custom frame that includes fonts now. I can also add photos here. And I can customize this however I want. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.